Hello everybody, Jim here, and in this video I want to show to you my new app that I create just for increasing the conversions. So one of the biggest problems is actually a lot of people, they go onto the site through an ad or maybe if you do some influencer marketing, whatever, from a place they go to the product page, and then from the product page they add a product to the cart, but then for some reason they abandon the cart, okay? So they don't complete the transaction, maybe for shipping, maybe the price is big, whatever, right? And there are a few apps that can help, but most of them actually suck. Now, the way that we do is we incentivize people by giving them a coupon with a clever way. And don't worry, I will show you how we do about this. But to understand the process, there is an app called Willio. So not only it's expensive, but it actually sucks. Okay, now some of you might say, "Oh, Willio, they are the best." Let me ask you: is it? I mean, you browse in the site and somewhere, something pops, okay, and ask you to add the email, and they give you a coupon. But are you looking at that time for a coupon? Does your visitor looking for a coupon? Does your visitor looking to buy something? So if you have that on the product page, let me actually go in the catalog, and in one product page, it might hurt the conversions because I'm not looking for product. I haven't even decided that I want to buy, let's say, this item, right? Don't worry, this is just a testing site. I'm not saying anything here. But let's say that even that I want to sell this. Now, if the Willio pops up, or there are a few apps that pop about giving the coupon and getting the discount. I just wanted to tell you that those apps actually have conversions. And second, all the emails that you have, even if you have big list, it doesn't do you any good because they are unresponsive. And second, and most important, they are not only unresponsive, but you actually store them in your MailChimp or Klaviyo account, and they will actually charge you more regardless if they buy or not buy, right? Another app is, a big name in the industry create an app called Adrian Morrison, and his app is, not very good at my opinion because it works with links. It actually changes this link. So assuming that you have already a winning campaign, let's take an example that this is my winning product, I have my winning ad set, etc., and I want to give discount to, push the conversions, right? Well, it actually changed this link, so you need to actually duplicate that, okay, and add the new link. And not only that, you obviously, as you know, Facebook treat each ad set individually, so you will actually, it's like starting from scratch, right? So the data doesn't pass, and it might the product flop. And not only that, by giving the discount coupon too early, okay, you actually losing money. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, think it like that. Let's say that you send 100 people to that page, right? And let's say that from those 100 people, okay, 5 people, they will buy that, they see the product, they like it, whatever, right? Well, if you give them discount, they would buy anyways. So I don't see any reason to give discount. And of course, I will show you the clever way on how we do that. And let me actually show you something very, very cool. And actually, you know what? I will open that in incognito window. just to show to you the whole process. So paste and go, just pretend that I am, you know, I am a visitor, okay? I see, you know, this product, like the previous example, okay? I click buy it now, okay? I go to, let's say, cart, checkout, whatever, right? Let's say most of the things that they don't skip the cart page. Mine, it will do that, okay? But most of the times is cart, then go to the checkout, and here is the problem. A lot of people try to leave that page, right? So, you know, the ones that we're gonna buy anyways, we don't care about them. Of course, we care about them, but we don't want them to give discount, etc., etc. So, uh, but how to convert the ones that are about to leave for some reason they didn't buy? Maybe they check the product, maybe we have shipping, whatever, right? Well, once try to check out to exit, then we pop something about, hey, get your discount, yada yada yada. And not only that, we are the first app with true exit intent. Now, what do I mean? Let's say that you try to exit. A lot of apps, they have exit intent like Wellio, Privy, Optimum, but if by accident, because you don't know what happened, right? Click somewhere around the page of X, you lose the message, and then you try to exit and never that pop-up appear. Now, for us, it's our pop-up is super intelligent. Not only the ones, the people that will buy anyways the product, we will leave them as is, so more money to our pocket. And no matter it understand that, hey, this person is about to exit, let's pop. Okay, not, exit checkout, let's pop. Okay, it doesn't matter how many times. Okay, this has one job. Okay, now not only that, but a lot of the times other apps, the coupon, they have like to copy that and then paste it here, and here it's easy. But in mobile, which you should focus in mobile, it's very, very hard to find where is the discount, and it's actually hidden, right? So, there are here in mobile, 3 buttons, three lines that you click and that pop down, and then you can, type the coupon code. You need to hit apply in the mobile, but not with us. Not only we have intelligently understand that, hey, this is about to leave, and we pop, not on the actual bar, but when the mouse is here. Okay, try to exit the screen. Some try to pop when the mouse is here, okay, and try to exit. Well, it's good, but if it's here, if someone do it fast, go to exit fast, he will miss the pop, right? But not only that, but when they try to exit, well, they see they will have a countdown, etc., etc. Now the countdown is finished, whatever, right? But if they click get discount, by the way, it's all editable, like the timer, the color, the button, the background here, whatever, right? Even the animation is editable. Okay, don't worry, I will show you about that. It's very, very cool. But actually, when someone click get discount, they will actually, apply, put a coupon, and it actually apply, and your customer, it's not a customer, hopefully it will become, they can see, the coupon change, the value update real time. And it's very, very huge, especially in mobile. Listen, if you do mobile, maybe send traffic through Instagram or sending traffic through Facebook, this is huge, okay? Because someone tap like give me my discount, okay, and boom, okay, they get the discount and see, oh cool. Now let's say that you do you charge for shipping, and let's say that you have something about orders above 25 or 50 or 75 bucks, you know, get free shipping. Below that, let's say that you charge for 95. Well, a lot of the people will buy anyways, but some they have a killer about, you know, the shipping. So what to do? Very, very easy. If you have a coupon about giving free shipping, okay, and have your message to appear and say, hey, don't leave yet as, you know, first time customer, we want to reward you with free shipping. Click the button below to get it. Boom, they get it, they get free shipping. Very, very easy, okay? Now, let's say that you have a free shipping site-wide, and you have a ton of, you know, carts, but no checkouts, you know, someone is about to leave. Well, you give them like, let's say that you give 5-10% off, okay, maybe 20% off, whatever, right? Well, you give them, you hit them with something like they don't expect it, unexpected, with a cool, unexpected gift. So, you know, you will convert more. With our way, because we make it stupid simple actually, to, you know, because it's a click of a button, we see up to 100% to 200% ROI in our advertising spend versus, you know, revenue. And, you know, I have a student that actually spent 60 bucks and make $1,800 back. Okay, so, and of course, you know, it doesn't matter if someone live in, you know, as you probably know, one question that I receive a lot is, well, I do worldwide targeting. I do, you know, and as you know, it's different the speed in United Kingdom, in Australia, in Spain, in United States, etc., etc. So, well, it doesn't matter. We don't depend on Shopify. It won't slow your site down. And even let's say that we advertise in the other side of the world, like Australia, right? Well, your site might be slow, but the app will be fast because we don't depend on Shopify servers. Okay, I have installed this. It doesn't matter if you advertise in Norway, Denmark, Malaysia, you know, Spain, Italy, France, Australia, United Kingdom, you know, China. It doesn't matter. The post will be appear fast, and not only that, but as you can see here, the coupon is, you know, applied. Now, if I try to exit, you see, nothing happens because intelligently understand that, hey, we did our job. We did what we needed to do, right? So it won't, you know, pop all the time, okay? And this is huge, okay? Of course, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna click it, and of course, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you skip the cart, it works, right? Same way. And right now, you know, I just want to go inside. Actually, before I do that, let me actually go once more in the site, add a product to the cart, and actually show to you something very, very cool. Because, okay, and this app, let me tell you, it is game changer. Okay, let me go to checkout. Okay, let me actually now go the app inside actually, and let me show you some of the customization now. Some questions that we receive actually is, can we use that on mobile? Can we use that on desktop? What if we want on desktop and not mobile? Or what if we want to mobile and not to desktop? Can we do that? Yes, you can. Simply click on a button. Okay. Now, whatever you do, you need to save it. Pretty self-explanatory. This is the pop. I mean, you can hide, you can change, you can hide, you can change. Timer, pop-up, button. This is about Shopify Plus. We create to dynamically change that the value. The regular members need only to add, the coupon code here, which you create that from, the back office of your Shopify. Now here we did that just to save you, 10 seconds that take to create, the coupon. And actually, let me show you. We have corner shapes, we have pop-up position, center, bottom right, bottom left, yada yada yada. Effect, a ton of stuff on customization. Scale, I mean, this is really cool because we try to add some animation in the back image, which is the product image, like to push it, back and actually show the pop-up. And not only that, let me actually show you something very, very important. You see that this is like black, okay, like not too black, but in the beginning when we test this, we had it like clean and someone can see the background super clean. Well, it worked, but people are visual, we are visual, and when it's like that, okay, we have too bright white, and when we go that, instantly your attention where it goes. Well, it goes here. Okay, so that's why all that we have it black, because we want the visitor to focus here and click the button and buy the stuff. Now, as you can see, the pop-up, it's kind of suck, right? I mean, of course, I never said that I am great, graphic designer, but you can match it to your brand. Let's say, hey, don't just yet. Click below the 460 and get order. Click the button below before the timer hits not zero. Come on, before the timer hits zero. Boom. Okay. Timer, we can have like 2 minutes, 1 minute, whatever, right? You can, let me actually show you. Free, save. You can see it. Boom. Okay, now it's still kind of suck, right? Well, let's say that we want the background color to be, boom, as you can see, real time. Let's say that, hey, we want to match our brand. Maybe we want this as well in black. Maybe we want the button to be, I don't know, let's say orange. Maybe we want the letters to be, black, something like that. We can change, the color here, whatever, right? Maybe we want to have, the position. Let's say we maybe want it on the top right. Let me actually save it and show to you. And if I hit preview, boom, you see, it's actually kind of cool, right? Maybe we want on the top center. Save and preview, boom. Okay, awesome. Now maybe if we don't want that, maybe we want like slide top. Okay, you see, maybe we want to flip X, right? Maybe we want to, you know, let's just say, boom. Okay, a ton of animation. I mean, we add more and more stuff all the time. As you can see, the image goes back. Maybe you don't like that, right? Maybe we want boom. Okay, maybe we want to do something different. But listen, okay, my computer stuck. But listen, okay. Let me actually save it. Let me go in the site. Okay, now let me actually refresh it. Okay, just to show you something really cool. Okay, now if we try to exit, boom, you see, okay, it changes automatically. Okay, real time. I mean, you can split test, you can do your changes real time. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it's a killer app, especially mobile, and we will add, you know, more stuff. Of course, we talk about building the pro version as well. I mean, right now it's on $10. Of course, it will go to 20, $25. And not only that, I mean, the stores that generate more than 25K, we will charge a percentage of the sales that we generate. Let's say an additional 2%, whatever, right? I mean, on the sales that we generate. But, you know, right now you can lock your spot at $10 per month. And I mean, that's it, guys. Of course, I need to leave me a review, preferably preferably positive. But listen, I'm here for you, and you know, you can lock your spot. This is game changer, especially if you get a lot of cards, no sales, don't know what to do. I mean, this is huge, okay? And this app actually generate more money to you by not giving discount to everybody, and by actually converting more people to sales on the spot. Okay, that's it for that video. I hope you like it. I will put the link for the app below the video. If you are on the members area, or you know, I will put some training here, and you can contact me at 1 p.m. away. Cheers.